Hi guys, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. Today I have created this brand new website with WordPress 5.9.2 version and added 2022 theme which is compatible with this version. In this video I will show you how you can create menus in latest version of WordPress using theme editor instead of using theme customizer. So go to dashboard. Now in appearance here you can see now we have editor. Now here you can see you have editor instead of theme customizer. In older versions of WordPress, you have customizer where you can edit or customize the theme. But in new update, you have editor. So I will click on editor. Now here at the top you can see the menus. Here you can see a select menu button. You can add any menu that you have created in backend. To create a new menu, I just click on this create new menu. Now here you have two options. Start with empty or select menu. By clicking on select menu, you have to select a menu that you have already created. But I will click start empty. Now click on this three lines to open navigator. So here you can see navigation. Now click on this plus button. Here you have add link. I will add a home. Now again I will click on this navigation. Click on this plus button and here add that you want. I want services page here. Again I will go back to navigator, click on this plus button and then contact us. You can add multiple items by clicking on there, click on this plus button. Now I have created my menu, so I will click on this save and then save it again. Now the menus was successfully updated. To take a live review, click on this WordPress icon and then click on dashboard. Now visit website. Now here you can see you have updated your menus. That's how you can add menus in WordPress 5.9.2. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.